Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Queen Elizabeth is here with another very exciting and amazing project. Before we are going to start the review of my interesting project, I want to say if you're new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing video notification. And I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. Let's start the video, which is called the Pay Store Transfer, the PST, the most advanced virtual card in the USD for all kinds of the payment. Because these cards are issued by the bank in the USA and Europe, all the cards support the USD billing options and including weekly and yearly payments. The weekly plan costs just $7, while the yearly plan is now available for $99, which is 48% off for you guys. And how it is used, it's very easy to use, guys. That's very easy to use. With its high status and support the 3D secure technology, this card will become your trusted shopping assets. The instant card issuance by anywhere PST card is suitable for paying your shopping needs worldwide and stable. Unlock your any services for the work and also the entertainment. So you just simply create a new account and get your first card. Simply easy registration via Google, Telegram, WhatsApp, Apple ID or email. Instant crypto top up with the USDT, BTC, and 16 other cryptocurrencies. Top ups can also be made via bank transfer and the Visa MasterCard. 24/7 customer support available through the Telegram bot and WhatsApp and email. Telegram bot provides services, notification, and 3D secure codes. Also, they have the two-factor authentication, enhanced account security, user-friendly interface for the convenient card management with the clear dashboard in the both of the web platform and the mobile app. So this is the first card after signing up. No limits anymore, unlimited numbers of issue cards and top up by the crypto and any many thing more you can do. Cards for the advertising and personal purchases. Best card for anything. You can get the card and try with private 100% card and 100% card, 3% cash back for you guys. A better way to manage money on the mobile, so you can get on the mobile phone and also so simple sign up and get card and also make for you a very easy and affiliate marketing for you guys. So native for the social ads, no more risk for you or any social media account you wanna use. And 20% type of the card in the USDT and Europe. And also they get the 30%, 3% cashback and 100% free card for advertising on the Facebook. And also they have the guys their teamwork and financial control, and they have the transaction fee which is zero, the fee for the decline payment that is zero, refund fee with zero, withdrawal fee with zero. So there is a big opportunity for you guys to maximize your profit as much as you can and unlock any services for work, either for entertainment, either for shopping. If anything you can do with this amazing Pay Store transfer. This is the most advanced virtual card in for all the kind of payments. So get the card right now. And also you can check this Ultimate, which is for the Facebook. And also you can get started the virtual payments card designed for Facebook ads, no more risk payments and bans. And also you can check the Google's virtual payments card designed for the Google ads. You can see that. And also for the TikTok, they have another thing designed for TikTok ads to get the card right now. And also they have the for the social media ads, and they have wanted the advertisement, the universal virtual card for all the advertisement platform including this you can get. And this is the 3D secure amazing platform. Need plastic, get your plastic card in just 2 days right now, guys. So you can block this amazing opportunity and share a discount and earn the rewards and be more about the affiliate you can get to know. So this is how it works. And also you can go it to the App Store preview and you can download it from this and you can check their rating, you can check their reviews. You can go and get the benefit from these reviews and these ratings so that you can get to know. And also you can download it from your phone, so you can go to the Google Play, and you can download this amazing app, and you can get to know about in the installment. This app is available for all the devices you wanna do for it. That's all about this amazing PST. And also they have the affiliate program. The affiliate with the PST give discount to your friends, earn up to 90% of the profit. So get the referral link right now and get the 90% of the profit for the exchange, 30% of the profit for issuing card, and 10% of the top of free. The more the better, the more friends, the more money. You will also learn money from the friends and the friends and the friends and the friends. So you can get 100% for each friend you invite, 70% for friends, two friends, and also to friend they have get the 70%, and further they get 30% and 30%. And how does it work? Yeah, you just copy the link and spread the world and just earn up to 90%. And also guys, this is all about this amazing Pesto transfer, the PST, so you can get to know and you can get benefit from it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, take care.